Hello coders. So in this particular video I'll be discussing on if you are facing some issues with the bloatware which comes with your Windows computer. But for this to run this particular command, you cannot run it in window R in the run dialog box, neither in the command prompt. So you need to open up PowerShell. So let me open up PowerShell and let me run it as administrator. And after that I'll be writing a command. Okay, so the font is pretty small. Let me make it bigger so that whatever I'm writing, it is more viewable to you guys and you can note it down. So this command is pretty useful, and note it down and run it for sure if you want to eradicate your Windows computer of the bloatware. So I need to write IWR and then -usb and then https://git.io, and then I need to write dblot, and then I'm calling it using IEX. So I'm pausing the video, or I'm keeping the cursor. I'm waiting for a few minutes so that you can write it down, this particular command. This is a pretty useful command which you can run in your Windows computer in the PowerShell if you want to get rid of the blotting applications of your Windows computer. Okay, so let me if you I guess you have noted it down, and if you have not noted it down, pause the video, note it down, and then what I am going to do is that I am simply going to press enter. Let's wait for a couple of minutes. Let's see what happens and what window opens up and what are the suggestions which are being given to me. So from the window which will be opening up, there will be getting a lot and options. So it's still doing something. First of all, it is creating a system restore point. That's good. So if something doesn't work in a proper way, and if you feel that you want to roll back your computer to an earlier instance of time, this system restore will be pretty helpful. And in this cybersecurity tutorial, I'll be also showing you to how to create a restore point. How to create a restore point. So before installing in the software, when your Windows computer is running in a proper way, at that point of time you should create a restore point, and after that you should make some changes to your Windows computer. And at any point of time, if it doesn't work in a proper way, then go to that restore point and just roll back the changes which you have did intentionally or maybe unintentionally, and your system is not working properly. So here if you just click on this remove all bloatware, so here see, here it is doing something and it will work on its own. So it's removing something extension. So this is something which you can do on your Windows computer to get rid of the bloatwares. It takes some time. And after removing of the bloatware, if you feel that your Windows computer is not running properly, I have run this particular command earlier also, and it didn't hamper any of the performance of my Windows computer. However, it did make, I felt that it made my computer a bit faster. I don't know about you guys. You should run it on your own, or browsing over the internet, that what this command particularly does. And if you are running it, before running it, you can check whether it will be fruitful to you or not. So while this particular thing is going on, okay, so it's still from, I think, okay, so okay, disabling scheduled tasks and doing something, adding registry key to prevent bloatware apps from returning. Fine. So it's showing all of the things which it is doing. Microsoft Xbox Game Kali UI, unpinning tiles from the start menu, install service, finish all task. Fine. Okay. So if it's finished all tasks, so should I close this window or should I wait for some time? Let me press enter. No, it's doing nothing. So if it is finished all task, let me close it down, and here it is. As you can see that nothing changed, nothing has changed. So let me try window R and or maybe open up task manager and see how my process is running at this moment of time after running the dbloat software. So I'll be going to the performance section, and I am having 6.9 out of 7.987. okay, the speed is 2.98. So you need to write it, you need to run this comment on your own, and let me know in the comment section that how you felt, or if you find browse over the internet and if you find that there is some issues with this particular comment, let me know in the comment section. It will also enhance my knowledge, and it will add to my skill set, that I will be able to know that no, this comment has some drawbacks. Anyways, so that's all for this short video tutorial. In the next section, we'll be discussing on some other topics as well in the cybersecurity portion, and how to get most of your out of your Windows computer. Thank you all guys, and happy coding.